Now, yachi India ni. Nanya India ni kwa na chino. Yasachi other Chinese. Now, you know the funny thing? Containers, no. NPP for no containers, and they are Chinese in India for no. Not cables, no woman, no. Or man, no. And it becomes so difficult to track even the content of the container. It is 1,500 and 1,300. What they were doing over time, and they say, at ECG, on their system, they have their 3,000 containers at the port. You will see, say, by the time you come to the port, realistically, they don't have 3,000 containers. They have taken the containers, given it out, and on the system at ECG, it reached 3,000. It is, oh yeah, smart. Now, our system, so now, so we have 3,000 containers stacked. But when you go to ECG and you go to check for yourself, the real numbers on the ground, you will see, say, 1,500 or 1,300 have been stolen, and no NSC. Yachi India nibi wajatum or say the containers, about 40 of them, they were sold to him last year.
Hey, hey. But for Obadia, say, o mine bia e wasasi subia. And I say, broche nina. Eye electricity, sebi e wa brochra. But for 24/7, ubenya kanya, edi aye wadi. Oye company 24/7, ubenya electricity. I'm not producing power. I'm out there. Ayo production. Like be bia electricity. E wo wiase. During Nana Akufo-Addo time, ana medofo, omo kra electrical cables, any equipment ebeboa ECG, Ghana Electricity Company, ama omadi omujuma, ama oma extend electricity according to source containers omo kraba temahabo hono ekobe 2,000 plus ni echiri enya asem ketwa nanka saa containers ni mu nneoma no ebeboa ama Ghana Electricity Company afa ntoma pefra ama Ghana ni bia no ebe enjoy electricity 24/7. Medafo mene wo kasei aban no asesa enu nti e wo sa aban foforo na waba no ohwehwe nneomam na ohu nneoma asabi omo kɔ no edi ja oman no na saa hwehwemu we na akopie so se saa electrical cables any equipments na during 2017 thereabout Nana Akufo-Addo time omo shepe ba yese ECG for enfan support adwuma omudi ema Ghana for no sa containers akese emu mako more than 1,300 ajira yo yeah hey Ghana yeah containers na yadi aba yadi omani sika akokra se bosian so ne akobo yakokra ba se sa containers we no electrical cables pa sabi ebetimi aboa na enkane ebu Ghana mo chese obi a odi ni dwuma bia asoma dwono Ghana for nya electricity 24/7 no but for me no kase no containers ni mu mako 1,300 enya 100 mako 1,300 plus ajira every habo honom but therefore etora bia se wo control na nsem bi se wotia o utimi bottom because intimacy say yamfa de say electricity company of France order cables any equipment more than 3,000 containers aba habo na ye kohwehwema containers na abedru habo na ye nyina nim se containers makoma 3,000 ye de bebo oman ho bra no emu makoma 1,003 eni ho asami so o ka kire all ho bia ne ti akwantom no da fom no osere because entimi nsi o sa de o ma bi o kra ni se esi ensem bi o ha eni se esi mpo na ye bobo ho eye won say logically no eni se esi me no ka say mahama aban a start ni hwehwemu na e kame e say o ma start echichi amanfo o mo cheche ba bia o ba dia di say ma story bi say containers no ma ton bia ma China fo bi na rubber na hyehyɛ container ne ho no o ma yiyi no mo nane ye radi jao hey asem no wan hwe ya o kan obesere So one share ye pa Ghana sem eba. Asem na me do for me no kan ni bro. Ba one share abesere. Me no ka say Kevin Eko Taylor enso ni team aye investigation about this matter. Me do for asem we all enko na wie ye no. Na anhwe ya na wanhu sa channel we biem. Enu nti mesere say oba subscribe to the Bonah Show. Na also be part of this mega family. Na ufri abrochire enso eko Ghana akodi udwuma bia akoware akoye yie akogya odofo bi dwuma bia wo kodi bia wo Ghana na wo dru Ghana na obeko Kumase na wo dru Kumase medofo bepa ba bia da mo asoma dwoa edin no ba akopɛ Pcash Properties Pcash Properties medofo call www.pcashproperties.com and I said for number ya a good screen yi ufro ma catch them say and the Bonah Show so and I will tell monka in pray na omema 10% discount but for koda baby papa mo asum nyo koda baby a 100% security CCTV cameras na nyoma na sabi o de kono akronfo ankowia because even electrical cables cry no hey yaw Merafo biamu nso se wo America mem na o pese o ship o nyoma o boxes bi o containers bi o nyoma bi a mefa ne se ebi a wo hia na mo pese o de come out for Ghana ebi a wo si fie bi wo di dwuma bi wo di dwa bi na pese o de nyoma ne free America mem eko Ghana medafo me de anigisem enenam Box Oak Logistics aba ama ye nyina ye wa America especially se o state bi te say Maryland, Washington DC, Virginia, okra de wasem ne yenka. Che say e ho de o fro ma America tente no mu gina opra no. Na o ma box on your money kama na o ma hwe so kama no mu de akọ Ghana efia odi kom asumdwe mama. Me defo umpe we na opedien. Ofre Box Oak Logistics a catch mu say enam the Bonah Show so and out te omunka. In pray na o mema 10% discount.
No.
Thank you very much to you and thanks to your listeners. They are currently suspects, and by law they are entitled to a counsel of their own choice. So we will grant them that opportunity, but of course, within the next 48 hours, we will also exercise our rights by ensuring that we complete investigation and put them before a court of competent jurisdiction. Thank you very much.
Now, yachi India ni, nanya India ni kwa na chino, yasachi other Chinese. Now, you know the funny thing, containers no, NPP for no containers na nam dia Chinese in India for no, na cables no woman no, o man nane no. Enti, it becomes so difficult to track even the content of the container. Into 1,500 and 1,300 no, what they were doing over time, and they say, at ECG, no, on their system, no, they have their 3,000 containers at the port. You will see, say, by the time you come to the port, no, realistically, no, they don't have 3,000 containers. They have taken the containers, given it out, and on the system at ECG, it reached 3,000. And it's, oh yeah, you're smart. Now, almost system, so now, so we have 3,000 containers stacked. But when you go to ECG and you go to check for yourself, the real numbers on the ground, you will see, say, 1,500 or 1,300 have been stolen, and no NSC, you know. Yachi India nibi wajatum or see the containers, about 40 of them, they were sold to him last year. Yachi India ni, Yachi Chinese for, they are getting close to about 30 over people who have been arrested. And they are going to lead us to Napo. They are going to lead us to Napo because Napo was the energy minister. How these people got access to the containers. So what these people do, and they say, containers in the what they do is the custom officers be a committee bomu and containers in the. But when it comes to ECG and the Napo on the system, it is 3,000. In Tubeko airport one na omabechi containers no ko what they do is say yi wires na ewom ni nyina na wires no eya na rubber wo ho into yi rubber na akakopa no manane wia no the container na back. This time they were not fortunate and aban sesai into aban sesai na container na carbon they could not bring it back. All the containers that left the port no in 2024, the latter part of 2024 yeba beto aba no move that container ni nyina. Right now, the Chinese, the Indian man, they have all been arrested. Indian in 40 containers in the water. This is a developing story. We know and we trust the process. Jakpa Jakpa the Punisher. He's there. and Jakpa will follow it. Jakpa, another one has come. Arrest for me. Thank you very much, Jakpa. My almighty Jakpa is around. And before Musro Jakpa, Jakpa, they be an osre. I bet you this year. Jakpa, me say, and before Musro Jakpa rough. Jakpa, almost so Jakpa chaplain. I bet you this year. Jakpa, hey, Jakpa, to say criminal case or ye Juma, Meno Case. Jakpa ye Juma. And yes, what do? Meno Case is here or Pobiachino. Jakpa to me down and yatos. Catch. Uda for Jakpa in the Busano. Or to me down was sorry to handcuff me. Hey you, Jakpa. Or bet you fucking or a magnet or just saw them go to handcuff. Jakpa, the catching a chaplain. Or bet you MPP for Sloro. Jakpa is a bad man. Why is he flaunting the laws? Go to court. Jakpa has flaunted the laws. He has entered somebody's house. Go to court. Jakpa, he will make NPP NDC unpopular. We want to be unpopular. I want the NDC to be unpopular. Into Jakpa, chomu nyinagum. Jakpa no otumi da no tiem. Hey, bantima. Adetia no to play about obechu. Obechu sisia. Yasen go for because I'm Robbie Kokun. Momo vendor bi 10 minutes na Jakpa 13. Muni wo kumase mumbusa. Jakpa duru kumase 10 minutes no ate 13 egum. Hey, Jakpa, mo de obechi mu nyina. Akwa na ogina Metro TV na why say shege light no. And I know. And then you bring it and the Chief Justice and we don't even know. You see John Mahama and you see so akwa we drag be kun o. Paul Ademochi, and you know, and we don't know. You see the Chief Justice, and I don't even know what John Mahama is doing. And you see, and we don't even know the NPP. We did not do the o country say singarenga lanes. Musro Jakpa, obechemo. Jakpa, obechu to see international. Who share us international. Or not which room, look at international, you know. Okobokino obecho, Obatogo obecho. Jakpa ono oye local crazy guy. Omusrono. Inti Jakpa to make me proud no catch them. Omutminda. They be saying Jakpa wants to arrest me. Me I drive one car and everybody knows my house. Latobia Kwashi I stay there. Everybody must say oye deyo Jakpa becho. Jakpa is coming almost a fum and run on your meeting. And obi ko twemu. Jakpa is coming Jakpa obecho mukuta power mujinso obi ejimi. And the musro bibi. Obechi munyina Jakpa onwie yo afeni edi 3 months calculate na hwe Jakpa chaplain no obechi utisia afeni edi 3 months yendru impo 7 na 3 months na say term over time bebre ultimate mark rest ya no asaba Jakpa say or strategy bi otumi kwa na ojai no ada kakra no edin no reading newspapers no aye research kakra obo say mo edin be 2 weeks oh Jakpa is gone Jakpa the Jakpa dey obudu no Jakpa otumi share no edin no aka kire obi a oni adwuma say I'm not around I am in transit. I actually to Quine. I saw na Belgium or ba. No more refi Jakpa. Into bo ba no I din no abeshe dem. Na afi oyen reset. No check see. Overcall Jakpa demo or the pins awo. Jakpa oko the demo ha. Or be board bi ho. Both or the pin awom and the oye the obecho. Or you say or deeper 68 or do nyina board no so. And we connect or international investigator. Into what I say. Mintomo how much refuse so Jakpa is gone. Jakpa is also just Jakpa is gone. Jakpa is not gone. Jakpa is around. Jakpa chaplain, he's around. He's not gone. No. Jakpa is still around. Intomo just he's gone. Jakpa the denominator. Jakpa the Italian mafia. Jakpa the killer. Jakpa the chaplain. Obecho munyinegum. In the say no so munyina edi. Oh Jakpa is gone. Oh. Thank you. Yes, okay. Jakpa is coming. Jakpa, catch them. They also on Tias Lonko court. Normal court in Chiwuntum. Mr. Jakpa, they all see Uwebu Mraswa, when Nimrasono. Court wo bebre, your appeals court, your Supreme Court, your Indian court, your tribunal, onko. Jakpalization will Jakpalize you. He is going to Jakpalize you. Jakpalize. I didn't Jakpa dangerous, but make sure Jakpa any secret in ya. I shall for more town in Japan ni momu nyina or no more contract and na omo mo di bone no nyina omo mo nyina since and krata inti ashawfo nyina ye snitch ai Jakpa hado inti ukọ ashawfo na omo di bone Jakpa chi omo nyina no omo mo nyina sign bond inti omo nyina ye adwuma ma no boys na omo na nam town na mo dwen se omo bobo da ko she omo nyina ai cheche omo nyina ye informants inti Jakpa nkora nko boys na aya na mo from a no ma be security ama mo ne adade omo nyina Jakpa nkora boys na ya na ombe move sika na mamono sa boys na mumbe fa we nkwa ha yeso kwa chima ahimfie bi wo ho oforiata ko park sika gum ye de video be kire mu ya din ye hwemo saa ebu akwa ahemfie area ho ya se ahemfie bi ho oforiata ma lord sika gum bam bandan mo je enim yenim ni nyina sam de sika ko hye bank ya behu munim sam de hye mufia behu mo de sika ko gu ahemfie ye ba ebu ani ye de dynamite be hyase ye beti didim mo de sika ko gu ahemfie mo go we pa Jakpa the Punisher, Jakpa the Terminator. Mesi saa sika na mudi akogu eye achima himfie ho no. A nansen obi ko yi bi oforiata bufu ya obe change locks no. Ya hwemo mo ho yesere. Ahemfo na e defend musika sa mamo. Ahemfo ni nyina be ko jail. Saa achim area ho na masesa Ghana sika gogu ahemfie. Moje sa ahemfie de Jakpa mba ho. Munim Jakpa the Punisher. Ya ye din ya hwebo ya toto nyom bi ma nyom bi agina ne na so e wona bo se mahama o yeshegi ya ye din ya hwemo ye nim de akonyina ahemfie na ma se sika gugu ho no mode ba sa car na abion car na mo se sa sika free Bank of Ghana abegu ahemfie na nsen enkola di sika ni bi e na ohene frɛ se ye me change locks na ntokwa ba ye no ya o videos ni nyina ya hwɛ ne ya hwemo moda munyi a nipa na betam sika no ye bedi akire oforiata sika gu achem ekufo ade musika gu ahemfie minim de America akire mo mumusa nana sa ahemfie na bosi ni kakraka no sika na mo park no ye beba bebu ani mama ye mbu ani a ye be drill dynamite afase moteto ye boti didim say ye sika ejuma bo bia nya na adwene so afa no ho adi o ye hwe mo keke ye nim de ko system ni mo eni tell you sometimes say me yen kansem bi by one amam kakra me say saa sika na ewo saa ahemfie ho mu yin free ho munya bebi anfa nko mo gin say ahemfie betuma protect iska because now mo gin say aban sesa people will come to your homes. You thought say aban sesa people will go to your banks. Mo gin say the safest place to keep billions is ahemfie. Na sika na mo hwehwe na nya nipa na hwehwe mo sesa sika na free nkan e de abegu ahemfie e de lock ato ano enya nipa na hwehwe mo refi say na nipa video. Inti I am just relax it. You sika beguo. The other Bank of Ghana ya say sika sa sika da kwari nyina musiria na me be cancel ni nyina ye ndi biem. Mo je say mo wie sika ma mo da ho confidence on. Mo je say mo wie sika mo confidence. Mo ataban ye tumi kamasem. Mo na mo wie sika gogo ahemfie. Ahemfie the police ntumi wura ho. Ahemfie de obi antumi maha. Ahemfie de e safe. Ahemfie e safe ro foriata e ba be change locks no. Ahemfie sika na mdu kogu wo no e safe mesi sika de wa achim e wa ahemfie achim kuro bi so negu omunim omo ho oforiata e na beguo na saa ahemfie no be bia sika ne hye ne yanim anadwe mu start move sika no yaso ye boy se twan mo mu move a ye be kire Ghana bibia mo de kɔ ya ye din ye hwɛ mo munim de e ba ewurade nyankopɔn Jakpa e ba mo de mo ntina ho mo be hu ohene ne de handcuff egu ohene nsa na okɔ jail. Mese bo se ya che ohene bo se ya che ahenkwa ne ya che ohiame ne the handcuffs egu o nsa na mu ko jail mu hu bi o Ghana da CNN be cover okurum ha mo beti helicopter de o beti gen warrant Jakpa e de edim mese mo hu bi da o bo se helicopter gina so de o beti gen Jakpa no o se warrant to search. Warrant 1, warrant 2, the tigers are bem dim. Ya bebe be sisa ni nyina be rase. Mese mo pa na dwe mumu wuska, ye ni be ska ne ko. Ye ni be bia, ye pe bibi, ye be se bibi so eni. Na sa bibi ni join wi a na be say crazy what town. Oh ohene no. O na wo store criminal money. Ye ti krom ha.